Hey there, food lovers! Get ready for a salad that's anything but ordinary. This isn't your average bowl of lettuce and dressing. This is an explosion of flavor. We're combining sweet bananas and juicy pomegranates. We're adding crunchy walnuts and sharp red onions. Get ready for a taste bud adventure. This salad is perfect for any occasion. It's a light lunch. It's a refreshing side dish. It can even be a fancy appetizer. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make. You'll be tossing this salad together like a pro in no time. This salad is a feast for the eyes, too. Imagine this: vibrant red pomegranate seeds glistening like jewels. They're nestled amongst bright yellow banana slices and crisp green lettuce. The rich brown of the walnuts adds a touch of warmth. Your guests will be amazed by the beautiful colors. So, are you ready to ditch the boring salad routine? Let's get chopping and create something truly delicious. You might be thinking bananas, onions, and pomegranates in a salad? Trust me on this one. These flavors might seem unexpected, but they work together beautifully. It's all about that sweet, savory, and crunchy balance. The sweetness of the bananas and pomegranates takes center stage, but it's not overly sweet. The red onion adds a bit of bite. It cuts through the sweetness for a perfect flavor harmony. And let's not forget the walnuts. They bring a satisfying crunch and a nutty richness that ties everything together. This salad is all about contrast. The creamy texture of the bananas plays off the juicy pomegranate seeds. The crunch of the walnuts adds another layer of texture. Each bite is a delightful surprise. This salad is proof that opposites attract. The contrasting flavors and textures create a symphony in your mouth. It's an adventure for your taste buds. Ready to get started? You'll be amazed at how few ingredients you need for such a flavorful salad. This is what you'll need. Ripe bananas. You want them nice and yellow with just a hint of brown spots for extra sweetness. Fresh pomegranate. Look for ones that are heavy for their size, with taut skin. The seeds inside should be plump and juicy. Red onion. Choose a firm onion with no bruises. Red onions add a sharp bite that balances the sweetness. Walnut halves. Toasting the walnuts is optional, but it adds a wonderful nutty aroma and crunch. Fresh lettuce. Use your favorite kind. Crisp romaine, delicate butter lettuce, or a mix of spring greens all work well. Olive oil and lemon juice for dressing, salt and pepper to taste. That's it. 5 simple ingredients are all you need for a flavor-packed salad. You can find these ingredients at your local grocery store. They are budget-friendly too. Section 4. Crafting your masterpiece, step-by-step guide to salad perfection. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. This salad is so easy to make, you'll be surprised. First, prep the ingredients. Peel and slice the bananas. Deseed the pomegranate. Thinly slice the red onion. If you're toasting the walnuts, do that now. Just spread them on a baking sheet and bake for 5 to 7 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, assemble the salad. Wash and dry your lettuce and place it in a large bowl. Add the banana slices, pomegranate seeds, red onion slices, and walnuts. Then, dress it up. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper over the salad to taste. A simple lemon. Finally, toss and serve. Gently toss the salad to combine the ingredients and dressing. See? I told you it was easy. This salad is perfect for those nights when you need a quick and healthy meal. It's also a great option for potlucks and picnics. Section 5. Elevate your salad experience. Serving suggestions and pro tips. This salad is delicious on its own, but here are a few tips to take it to the next level. Get creative with your dressing. Try making your own vinaigrette with different types of vinegar and oil. A little dressing goes a long way. Add it gradually and toss the salad until it's lightly coated. This salad is best served fresh, but you can store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Section 6. The nutritional powerhouse. Health benefits you can savor. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Red onions contain quercetin, an antioxidant that may reduce inflammation. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart health. So go ahead and enjoy this salad guilt-free. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos to come.